Good evening and Jai Jagannath. Jai Jagannath. Thank you. On this occasion, I welcome Chairperson of Sai International Education Group, Dr. Shilpi Sahu, who is on the dais. Also, I welcome Principal of Sai International, Dr. Nilakantha Panigrahi ji, and the Headmaster, Mr. Amitav Agnihotri ji. Also, I welcome on this occasion the teachers, dear students from India and from abroad. I welcome you all. I am happy to stand before such a vibrant gathering of young minds who have lived the ideals of diplomacy, dialogue, and global citizenship. As I know, Sai International School, I must pay my heartfelt tribute to the visionary Dr. Vijay Sahu, who is no more with us, but whose dream comes true day by day by her able better half, Dr. Shilpi Sahu, and all the co-workers who are unitedly working for and who are unitedly fighting to prove the dream of Dr. Vijay Sahu. So on this occasion, I pay my heartfelt tribute for Dr. Vijay Sahu. As I know, Sai International School has been consistently ranked India's #1 day-come boarding school by Education World of India Schools, while Sai International Residential School also is Odisha's top boarding school. And last but not least, the Sai Angan, our preschool, also has been recognized as India's first preschool for several years. This institution foster vibrant communities where students cultivate critical thinking, creativity, and global citizenship, supported by cutting-edge facilities and expert faculties. Sai International also has revolutionized K-12, yani the +2 education, through innovation, technology, and a steadfast commitment to nurturing leaders with Indian values and a global mindset. Now, as I look around this hall, I do not just see students from all over the world, but I see the visionaries in the making. The 750 plus delegates who participate in Sai Moon 2025 have brought not just the numbers, but the spirit of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. When I was being interrogated or welcomed by the different countries, I feel thrilled. So many. I came to know that about 28 countries have been participated in this occasion, and so many schools from India and abroad. Likewise, from India also, the schools from, along with Sai International, other schools of Adarsha Vidyalaya, PM3 schools, all have been participated, which is definitely a matter of pride. Sai Moon, founded in 2013, is more than just a model United Nation. It is a platform that builds character. It is a space where young people from Odisha to Ethiopia, from Jammu to Kenya gather with one goal, the goal of United Nations, that is to find shared solutions to global challenges. As we know, we all live in a village, that is our world, that is Prithvi, and the industrial pollution that came out from one country that affects the other one. Everything. So there are so many challenges before us, and we all have to fight unitedly so that we can overcome the problems. So in that occasion, I would like to say Model United Nations has taken so many themes, and this year also in 2025, they have also, MUN also has found some key points, some key challenges, and the students, they are trying with, like these occasions, the seminars and conclaves, that all children should think over it, because we are past, we are going to be past, but we are here with you. But you all are the future of the world. Your decision, your action depends upon the future of the nation, of the world. So being the part of the Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, we all students should think over it and should come forward with a problem should evolve in our mind, and we should come out with solutions to save the world. Now, this year, SciMUN theme echoed more than just policy debates. It echoed the hopes of a generation ready to lead the empathy, think critically, and act ethically. I think you might have, on this occasion, thought over this, whether it was a delegate from Uganda discussing climate justice or a student from Cuttack advocating for refugee rights, each of you embodied with what it means to be a global citizen. What truly impressed me was the participation from both international schools and government institutions. As we know, education is the lifeline of civilization. It creates good individuals, true members for a society, and also bona fide citizens of a country. So I love being a part of this occasion, because it also gives me an opportunity to know and to interact with the young minds who in few years will shoulder the responsibility of making the world a better place. The iron can be saved if only when it is hot. So similarly, students can be most effectively inculcated with the noble values and life skills when they are in school. Institutions are truly meaningful only if they promote the true spirit of learning and noble purpose of knowledge. Dear students, never take a shortcut for success. Try to make the most of the opportunities that this institution provides you to translate into reality. Try to extract the maximum possible knowledge from the learned teachers. Have the right attitude towards learning. I am reminded of Gandhiji's advice, life as if you were to die tomorrow, but learn as if you were to live forever. So our APJ Abdul Kalam ji has said, dream big, think more, and love your parents, teachers, and books. On this occasion, I would like to say, Most of you must know these things, that Janani Janma Bhumischa Swargadapi Garyasi. We must feel proud of our Matrubhumi. We must feel proud of our Matrubhasha. And Janani Janma Bhumischa Swargadapi Garyasi. This should be in our mind. Simultaneously, I would like to say, Pita Dharma, Pita Swarga, Pita hi Paramatapa, Pitari Pritimapanne, Priyante Sarvadevata. यहाँ पिता का मतलब सिर्फ पिता नहीं है, पिता का मतलब है जो हमें पिता जैसे हमें प्रेरित करता है ऐसे ही जो प्रेरित कर रहा है। मैं सोचती हूँ हमारे बच्चों के लिए, हमारे स्कूली स्टूडेंट्स के लिए, हमारा स्कूल, हमारा टीचर, अभी डांस में वो लोग बता रहे थे, गुरु वंदना कर रहे थे, तो ऐसे ही ये सब हमारे लिए, यह इंस्टीट्यूशन हमारे लिए पिता है, हमारे टीचर्स वो हमारे लिए पिता है। सो पितरी प्रीतिमापन्ने प्रियंते सर्वदेवता। अगर आप लोग अपने स्कूल से स्कूली शिक्षा पूरा करने के बाद आपने स्कूल में जो सीखा हुआ है उन्हीं चीज़ों को अगर अपने जीवन में उतारने के लिए कोशिश करेंगे, जो ह्यूमन वैल्यूज़ है, जो लर्निंग्स है, अगर उसको उतारने के लिए कोशिश करेंगे तो ज़रूर आपका भविष्य उज्जवल है। इसलिए मैंने दो बात कही है, जननी जन्मभूमिश्च स्वर्गादपि गर्यसि पितरी प्रीतिमापन्ने प्रियंते सर्वदेवता। यह दोनों सब बातों को मेरे बच्चे याद रखेंगे, अपने जीवन भर में काम आएगा, ये मेरा रिक्वेस्ट है। टुडे वी आर कनेक्टेड टू ए वर्ल्ड of innumerable opportunities. Our human resources accomplished with creative pursuits and technical capabilities are the envy of the rest of the world. Our students should keep it in mind that they are the members of such a big society. You all are members of such a big society. We must have our greater commitment for the growth of society and for the people around us. To every student who spoke with courage, to every chairperson who steered committee dialogue with the grace, and to every teacher and parents who supported this journey, I offer my heartfelt congratulations to all of you. As we draw the curtains of Shy Moon 2025, I urge each one of you to carry forward the learning of this conference. Don't let the debate stop here. Let them echo in your classroom, your communities, and in your conscience. To the Sai International Education Group, thank you for nurturing this legacy of diplomacy and leadership. And to all the delegates, I would like to say, you continue to walk the path of knowledge with purpose and passion. With this, one more, I would like to request the principal, the chairperson of Sai International, that you have intimated me, you have invited me, and I, being the Speaker of Odisha Legislative Assembly, I would like to invite all my students to the assembly when the assembly session will be going on, and very soon in the month of September we may unite and so long. So I invite you all the students, to come over there and have an experience of political drama which is happening inside the assembly. Because no man is free from politics, whoever it may be, in whatever job he may be, but we all are bound with politics. And so, to experience that, I request my students of Sai International and wherever it is possible, all should come to Odisha Legislative Assembly. Now with these words, I say, you all my students have a great future, have high dreams, and try to translate the dreams into reality and be the future leaders for our country and for the world. Thank you all.